Here's our carbon pile voltage regulator. We'll remove it from the test stand. It uses little spring-loaded contacts on the bottom of the voltage regulator, or pins. The carbon discs for the voltage regulator reside inside this finned housing here. That's to dissipate heat, and this is the coil up here on this end that moves the plunger back and forth. And this end here has the spring and the adjusting screw for the spring. Let's see if I can. So again, this goal here is to have the spring put pressure against the carbon disc, and the coil up here on this end, you can see the wires coming out of the coil, pull back and release the spring tension, or relieve it somewhat, and that's how it does its adjustments. So we can put this back in. Install it back on our test cart, and we'll do a quick test here. So I've removed the generator cable so we don't have any interference from that, and we're going to hook our variable power supply up. Ground it. And we have a test light. We've come down here and we've removed the generator field wire. This is a direct output from the voltage regulator, and we're going to use a simple test light on it to show you the effect of the voltage regulator as we manually increase and decrease the output. So we'll ground this test light to the ground stud, and we'll hook our test light up to the field wire. See if I can hold this and do it at the same time. And over here, we're going to turn the voltage up on our DC power supply. So right now we're at 24 volts, and we have a test light that's lit. So we're going to increase the voltage, and as we increase the voltage, you'll see the light will dim. And that's the direct effect of the voltage regulator. So as the generator is putting out too much voltage, 27.7 is our goal. As we go over that, it reduces the amount of power going to the field coil on the generator. As we decrease it, it increases the power going to the field coil.